Today I want to take a few minutes to talk about how to best organize articles on your local publication's website. We're going to talk about the homepage, about categories, and about the role it all plays in discoverability. So first, let's talk about your homepage. Your homepage is the jumping off point that many people have for your publication. If they happen to be a regular visitor, if they happen to pick up your print publication and go to your website, they're likely going to end up on your homepage. And so the goal of the homepage is to make content discoverable, because you don't know what they're looking for, and so you're trying to surface as much relevant content as possible. And so to take an article and add it to your homepage, you simply promote it. There's a promote button on every article. Articles will show in the order in which they were promoted, most recently down to the oldest. Now, we also have a feature that we've added called the pin feature, which works just like a pin in a Facebook page, which is it locks it at the top of your homepage, and you can pin up to 3 different articles at a time. If you remove the pin, don't worry, it'll stay promoted, but just flow down the page as it would have appeared based on the timestamp of the promote. So you have a number of configuration options for your homepage, but most have a carousel at the top that shows the 3 most recently promoted or pinned or combination of those 3 posts. And then below that is a feed of recently promoted or articles. Sometimes people give these titles like must reads or recent news, that sort of thing. You can also feature articles from specific categories or topics on your homepage, which will show the most recent articles in that category that are not already on the homepage. So you don't want the same article appearing multiple places, doesn't make sense, so we give priority to the promote and pin, and then it will flow off of that into those featured categories and topics. Whenever you're creating an article, you can set 1 or more categories, tags, and topics. You can obviously edit that article, and then you can also bulk edit to quickly reassign articles to new categories in just a few moments. As you're creating your content, as you have your articles that have categories and tags, we automatically create pages in the background for those specific categories and tags. It's what we call archive page. It's a feed of posts starting with the most recent and going back, and you can link to this from your navigation, from the body of your homepage, from both, from neither. It provides a single place to find content that shares that common thread of that category or that tag.